I don't want to work for someone else for the rest of my life. Does those words sound familiar? That was my words that I uttered year in and year out. You know why? Because I knew that I was meant for better. I was meant for everything good, and so are you. But what's different between me and you is I took action. I didn't just utter those words. I did for a long time, yes, but it came to a stop where I started my online business. I'm Hazel. I went from being a nurse into the online space because I was tired of staying in the same position, and now I am here to tell you that don't stay in a I want. Go for what you want. Go after the things that you know you deserve. It is possible. In the online space, you will learn how to generate income, and all those income will go straight in your pocket. You will be your own boss. That is what I'm talking about. Let's work towards a better future. You say yes, and I'll tell you how. Bye.